creative friends. Today I am so excited to share a flip through of my completed Halloween journal from the Halloween Journal Challenge 2025 hosted by the wonderful Kia Creates. As you already know, I started a little late with the challenge, but I had so much fun catching up and creating each page. At the very beginning you will see the prompt list and my title page. The next prompt was bingo, and I decided to keep this page very neutral. Then we move on to the colors of autumn and leaf motif. Warm, cozy and full of seasonal tones. Cozy Cafe was one of my favorites. I imagined making plans for a Halloween party over a cup of coffee or tea. The next prompt, ransom note, reminded me to take your time, because time is precious. After that you'll find the haunted house and new moon. Both are additional pages I added to my journal. Then comes pumpkin and polka dots. Actually my first finished page in this journal. Next is apple orchard, where I created a hidden writing space behind those big apples. And look at that cute little snail. Moonlit and Starry features one of my favorite quotes from Vincent van Gogh, followed by bats and cats, such a fun combination. For spooky stripes I added this adorable little banner. You'll also see a Sacred Heart page and another Halloween page, extra pages that I just couldn't resist adding. With Vintage Halloween I really went crazy. Look at these cute little popsicles. That page was inspired by my lunch bag pocket idea. Then comes Witchy Vibes, followed by Boo Ghosts. I revisited Haunted House again, and this time with a Dutch door layout. And finally, my thank you page for October 31st, which closes out the flip through. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more junk journaling inspiration. As November begins, it's time for Christmas crafting and all those festive preparations, so stay tuned because more good stuff is coming. Happy Halloween and see you next time!